Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're on the Windows account that holds the notes. This matters because Sticky Notes syncs per account. Once signed in, open Sticky Notes from Start or press the Windows key and type Sticky Notes. Do that now. Make sure to copy any text you want to keep into a text file because you'll disable syncing and possibly uninstall the app. Once done, close any other note apps so you avoid accidental duplication or conflicts during the disable steps. Now stop sync so notes don't reappear on other devices. Open Sticky Notes, click the gear icon and turn off Sign In and Syncing options. This prevents cloud updates. Next, disable Automatic Launch. Go to Windows Settings, App Startup, and toggle Sticky Notes off to prevent background running. If you prefer command line control, open PowerShell as admin and use getapps package Microsoft Sticky Notes, then pipe to remove apps package to remove background behavior. Make sure you understand this removes the app until reinstalled. Finish by removing the app or clearing its data. Open Settings, Apps and Features, locate Sticky Notes and choose Uninstall to remove the app. If you want to erase saved local notes, open File Explorer, paste %local app data %packages /Microsoft. Microsoft Sticky Notes 8 wekib 3d8 bbwe /local state and delete the note storage. DB file after closing the app. If something goes wrong, like an uninstall that fails, reinstall Sticky Notes from the Microsoft Store and then uninstall cleanly. That often resolves package corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.